Viewers, you are once again welcome to my YouTube channel Sanja Pestroscience. I am Dr. SHL. Today's topic is election prospects of Mamata Banerjee in 2021. Analysis is basically based on Loshu grid. Then we compare it with her Kundali and numerology Prashna. Her date of birth is 5th of January 1955, which is taken from the Google and assumed to be correct one. So based on this, we will prepare our Loshu grid, and Loshu grid look like this. There is only one plane which is called will plane. If one has the will plane, then one can attain anything with his or her effort and achieve her goal in life. So this is the Loshu grid. Now we are to add to it 3 more digits: driver, conductor and Kua. And how to work out driver, conductor and Kua already discussed in previous video, and it is given in the description. So we are to add this driver, conductor and Kua to the Loshu grid. So now it looks like this. Another plane is formed which is called practical plane. Another important digit has come out. It is 8. It is this 8 represent the wisdom and 6 represent the family, prosperity, and with wisdom one can attain anything. If he plans something, they can plan well and they achieve it with his or her wisdom. To this we are to add another number, that is year number. Year number is also important because it will add strength to the Loshu grid. So number 2 is added. This is the year number. So another plane is formed which is called success plane 2, and if the success plane 2 also gives positive results, and number 2 is important because it belongs to the family, cooperation, support of others, in this case support of other political parties and voters. So we have to look at the lucky numbers of Mamata Banerjee also. They are number 1, 5 and 6. All these numbers are present in the Loshu grid. So based on Loshu grid, we can conclude very easily or safely that Mamata Banerjee may win the election in West Bengal and retain the power as CM in 2021. Now we compare it with the Kundali. Kundali is also important. So taking the date of birth as 5th January 1955 and birth hour is 12 in Kolkata, West Bengal. Now we look at one of the important combination of Sun and Rahu, which is placed in house 9. House 9 is represented by sign Jupiter, and Jupiter is friendly with Sun. So when there is aspect or conjunction of Sun and Rahu in any house, this gives rise to power and politics. But we are to also see the combination of other things, but as of now we are only concentrate on this combination, Sun and Rahu combination. We are not talking about where the other planets are placed and what type of yogas are formed. This is important. So next we are to see the Mahadasha and Antardasha of the planets. The Mahadasha of Saturn is underway. Antardasha of Mars culminated on 28th March 2021, and during this period she suffered lot of ups and downs, and many of our loyal party men shifted their loyalties. And now Antardasha Rahu is running, and as we seen in the earlier that Rahu is in conjunction with Sun, and when they are in conjunction they give rise to some positive results. So from here we can also conclude that based on this Antardasha and Kundali, there is a possibility of winning election in West Bengal by Mamata Banerjee and retain the power as a CM. Now this will be supplemented by the question Kundali also. The question was asked on 3rd of April 2021. Time was 9:53 p.m. in Ludhiana and Kundali was prepared. And now again we concentrate on house number 5, which is governed by sign Pisces, and Pisces is represented the Jupiter. Jupiter is friendly with Sun. Again, when Jupiter is there, it always gives some benefit, and since it is friendly with the Sun, so there is a chances of positive result in favor of Mamata Banerjee. Now this we supplement with the numerological question. Same question was used here, and we reduce this date and time to a single digit, which came out to 5, and 5 again indicate if there is a best planning, one can win the elections. From the whole analysis, we can conclude safely that Mamata Banerjee may win the election in 2021 and retain the power, but we have to see the detail of opposition candidate, and then we can make the comparative analysis. But based on these combinations, it seems that Mamata Banerjee will retain power in West Bengal as CM in 2021 polls. Hope you like this information. If you like this information, subscribe it, my channel, share it and like it. Will we come back with some more video on some other topic. Till then, goodbye, take care, thank you very much.